will be all files in the file section. In the command window, you will type your commands and corresponding your output will appear. On the left side in the below part, there is a workspace also where you can see all the variables. Suppose you have given x equal to 2. So here that variable will appear. I will show you how it will work. Now suppose I have opened one, this is the command window. Don't look at this code. This is just creation of the matrix. This is the command window. So if I will write here x equal to 2. Can you see x equal to 2 is appearing here? So now the value of x is 2. Clear? You can write here y equal to 3. Now the y value is equal to 3. So you can deal with different variables. In this like command window, you can type different variables and you can get your output. This part is clear? Please let me know so that I can continue. Yes, this part is clear. Please send me acknowledgement. Like here, if you will type, then these commands will get lost after some time. So that's why we always make a new file from the top. We will create the new script. Then if you will write your command here, suppose x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. Then if you will run here, then you can save these files also for future use. You can save this file. Suppose I have saved it to basic. Clear? Then after that, if you will open this file again, then this file will get again open. Clear? So these are the like file window is there and command window is there. Clear? Now I'll tell you few basic things which we will use throughout this session. Please note down. One command is CLC. CLC is used to clear the screen. Clear the screen, you can type CLC. So at every code, we always prefer to use write CLC so that whatever the output of our code will be there, only that output will be on the window. Otherwise, everything the previous data will get deleted. So CLC is used to clear the screen. Now you can see at the top, this is the workspace window. So here are the two variables which are like present in the previous code which I have run. So if I will write here clear all, sorry, I will write in the command window. You can write in the file window also clear all. Just wait, sorry. Let me check for this part. Okay, I have to save this. If you will write here clear all, and if I will click on run, then you can see so this window will get cleared and these are the different variables. If I will click on x equal to 2, y equal to 3, so you can see output of this window is appearing here, x equal to 2, y equal to 3. Clear? If I will write here x plus y, what will be the answer? The answer will be 5. So by default, it will save the variable into ANS variable, that is called answer variable. Clear? Otherwise, you can write it also c equal to x plus y. Then if you will run this program, then c is equal to 5 will come. Clear? Otherwise, if you will not give any variable on the left side, it will come in the ANS variable, that is answer variable. So many variables are inbuilt also in this like Matlab platform. I will show you. There is the pi variable, pi. If you will type pi, then it will take the value of pi. If you will type EPS, it will take the value of epsilon. INF, it will take the value of infinity. So these are the different variables which are already in the Matlab platform. So you can use these variables in your equations directly. Clear? So these are the predefined variables. So these are the few commands which you can use. I will tell you how rest of the command will work. Like suppose I have written who here, WHO. So who will give you number of variables, how many variables are there and what are the variables. So C, X, Y, there are 3 variables in this window. And whose, it will give you the size along with the bytes. What is the size of each variable, how many bytes it is taking in the space. So these are the extra commands. You all can try these commands also. Clear? Okay. Now starting with our main part, that is initially what we will do. We will make a program to perform all the basic operations because plus, minus, multiply, divide, all these are the basic arithmetic operations which you can use in your codes. So you should know how it will work. So basically, if you will type in the Matlab window, you can open the basic program, or you can write here simply c equal to x plus y. It will give you the sum. If you will write d is equal to x minus y, you can take bigger value of it also. So if you will run this program, it will give you the like 45 plus 3, it will give you the addition. D is taking the difference. If you will take E is equal to x divided by y. So all these are the symbols. Plus is for addition, minus subtraction, everybody know. And for division, we will use the divide sign. So it will take only the quotient. 45 by 3 will take only the quotient. And suppose you want to take the remainder, then you can compute it using modulus function also there. So you can multiply this also. Suppose f equal to x star y. X star y. So this is about the multiplication. Is it clear? So all basic operations are clear to everybody. Please acknowledge. Everybody please acknowledge that you can type all the plot the graphs, because this is also the part of our program. So the command is simply plot command. Okay, this I will tell you after the vectors. Just wait. So this is the basic program of arithmetic addition, subtraction, arithmetic operators, and this is the code. I share this code with ma'am also. So here I have taken proper variables, sum to find the sum, subtraction, divide. Exponential means raised to power. So a raised to power b means suppose a is 10, b is 2, it will calculate 10 raised to power 2. One function is their mod function, which computes the remainder. So a or b ka whenever you will divide, whatever will be the remainder, it will give the remainder. Clear? That will be in the using the mod function. So now the main part is how you can create a matrix. Can you acknowledge me what is the matrix? Matrix is a collection of rows and columns. Everybody knows? Matrix is the collection of rows and columns. Please acknowledge. Yes. So how you can create a matrix? Initially, I'll tell you how you can make a single row. I have written CLC. Suppose x equal to 1, 2, 3. You have to write the Renu ma'am, my screen is clearly visible because this font is very small.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It's visible.
Okay. Okay. X equal to square bracket symbol is there 1, 2, 3, and you will press enter. Now this x is having only one row which is having three values 1, 2, 3. Clear? And if you will write x equal to 1 separated by semicolon, semicolon 2, semicolon 3, and then square bracket close. If you will press this will take it as a column. Clear? So if you want to create a row, you have to write all the values in the square bracket without semicolon. But if you will separate each value by semicolon, if you will separate it, then it will become a column. So can anybody judge how we can make a matrix which include row as well as column? I want to make a 2 by 2 matrix. Can anybody write in the chat window how I can make 2 rows with 2 columns? The hint I am giving you, what you have to do, row, if we want to put the values in the row, don't put semicolon. If you want to make the semicolon, yeah, very good. Jaskirat has given the answer. 1, 2, 3 semicolon 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good, beta. So I am writing the command of Jaskirat. 1, 2, 3 semicolon 4, 5, 6 semicolon 7, 8, 9 close. Now what it means? This means this is the first row. Then this will be the second row, and then this will be the third row. Here if I will press enter, this matrix will appear. This is 3 by 3 matrix. Clear to all? So it depends that what can be the size of our matrix. It might be 2 by 2, it might be 3 by 3. As per your requirement, you can create. So that means if you will create like this, x equal to 1, 2, and in the second row I put only one value 4. Then what will happen? It will give you error because here should be number of values should be 2, but I have given only 1. So it has given error that this is not the exact correct way. So what we can do? X equal to 1, 2, semicolon 3, 4, close. Now it is the 2 by. Let me write CLC because So I am making one matrix X equal to 1, 3, 13, 34, semicolon 56, 43, close. So it is 2 by 2 matrix. Clear? Yes. Is it clear to everybody? That please acknowledge that can you create 2D matrix now? Okay. Thank you so much. So this